Now, unseasonal heavy rains and hailstorm hit several parts of the country, damaging crops and sending the mercury plunging. Now, it's been a series of freak weather across the country, with the March witnessing, in fact, everything from heavy rains to hailstorms and snowfall across the country. The impact, direct and immediate, the weather causing heavy damage to crops across Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Haryana, which in turn has pushed up prices of fruits and vegetables across the country. In Delhi, prices of vegetables are nearly double that of 10 days ago, with maximum rise in tomato, cauliflower, onion, potato and peas. Most of these vegetables are sourced from neighboring Rajasthan, and some reports suggest supply glitches could push the prices higher still.
बारिश की वजह से पता नहीं मौसम क्या हो रहा है, सब्जियां और सारी फसलों से सब खराब हो रही है, प्राइसेस बढ़ते जा रहे हैं।
अभी तो बहुत महंगी हो गई है सब्जी पहले से ज्यादा, बारिश की वजह से रेट इसकी ज्यादा हो गई।
This kind of snowfall you cannot witness here in the Kashmir Valley in mid-March. This is something unusual here in the Kashmir Valley. We are witnessing moderate to heavy snowfall since last 24 hours in the hilly areas of the Kashmir. Now it has got snowing here in the Srinagar. The temperatures had come down near about 0 degree in the Srinagar city, but even lower in the other areas of the Kashmir. Kashmir Valley is completely cut off from the rest of country, not only by the road, but even the flights are not possible in this kind of weather. The Met Department has already predicted heavy snowfall for next 24 hours, and even the administration has warned the people living in far-flung areas for snow avalanches. Already 3 lives had been lost due to the landslides and snow avalanches in different parts of the state, but probably the threat may increase if the pace of snow continues as it is snowing now. With cameraman Roof Ahmed, Ashraf Wani for Headlines Today in Srinagar.